like and subscribe, Tess Esteban, para po ma-notify ka sa lahat ng mga videos po na aking i-upload. Thank you! Have a blessed day!
Here is the turtle. Oh, is it hard? Take. Ah, don't go to the water. Just eat here. It's fine. You can just come here. Yeah. Can we touch your stone, your back?
Yeah.
Come on, don't be shy. We're not gonna hurt you. Oh, seems like that one is hard. Are you gonna touch? Are you gonna touch? Oh! It's like he likes to drop his body in the water once he get the food. Maybe we move that. It's a bit. Oh! Ah! Oh, looks like it's very difficult to him. Why did he scratch his body? This is rough. So sorry. Here. Here. Oh no. Sorry. Come on, eat. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've got 7 food. Yeah, we're friendly. Come on, just eat it. Don't be shy. We're gonna call you Coco. Ah! Oh no. He's coming up and eat, but the fish will take it. Uh-oh. Look at that. He's coming up. Oh, he's coming up. It's coming up. I'm sweating too much. Oh no. Come on up. Up. Can you see that? A lot of food here. You can have all of that. Come on, eat. Eat everything there. Oh, don't be shy. Ah! He keep going to the water. Oh, there. Come on, up again. Up again. Up. It's okay. Ah. Oh, sorry. Is it hard? We're just gonna give it. Oh. Good boy. Oops, drop again. I got the turtle. Turtle come. Oh, sorry. They're all go to your face now. Uh-oh. Where's the other turtles? Wow. This one is cute. He's coming. Hello. Are you scared? Look at that. He's so old that. He's coming. Hey, oh. Come on, don't be shy. Come on, don't shy. We have lots here. Oh, come on. Come up. Here. Here. Oh, here. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, no. So sorry. Oh, no. Freddy is coming out. Oh. Are you gonna give more, Freddy? Yeah. One more. Here. Where are you? Here. Got more here. Here. Oh. That's good. Here. Another one. We give you more. Oh, look at you. Come on this way. This way. Got more. Here. Okay, here. Ooh, very good. Ay! The fishes wants to take it. Some more. Oi, you dropped some more here. Wait. Hey, look at you. Here. Wrong way. There. Oh. Nice one. Last one. You still have. Here. This way. You all drop it. Wait. It's gonna take it.
That's Esteban. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.